For those of you that are unfamiliar with my 76 Buick Electras, this is my black one. I also have a white one. These cars were the longest four-door hardtops that General Motors ever produced. They were also the longest Buicks ever produced. They're 19.5 feet long. I've been waiting a while to show this because I did something today I've been waiting to do and finally got done. As you can see, the four-door Electra was hardtop, no post. Excuse my PPE in the seat. Kind of hard to get her all in here. She's big. These cars came standard with a Buick 455 V8. However, in 1976, Buick went on strike. They ran short of 455 V8s. Therefore, they had a credit delete option for a Buick 350. Only north of 2,000 of those cars were built. This is one of them. This particular car has every single option that was available in 1976, except for the passenger power seat and the engine block heater. Other than that, it is completely and entirely loaded. The interior is original. Headliner is great. I've just got a mat on my dash to protect it from the sun. And I have a steering wheel protector on to just protect the steering wheel from wear and tear. Has a new Levant top. I painted the entire car except for the doors. The doors are still original. As you can see, we have a tag on her that says Titanic. But anyways, this is the part I was going to show you that I finally got done today. So let's take a look under the hood. And I'll show you what we have today. And I'm so pleased. Try to do this one-handed. Very heavy. I detailed the entire engine bay, took the wheel wells out, sandblasted them, did all of that. Kind of dusty right now, but I drive this car. It's not a trailer queen. So, but here's the exciting part I was going to tell you about. I installed my factory 4-note Buick horns today. And for those of you that are not aware what a difference that makes, let's shut this hood and take a listen at this before I go cruise at the lake. This is a General Motors 4-note horn. Got to love that. One more walk around. Did rechrome the bumpers, front and back. Did it to both of them. All new NOS emblems where they were available. And then we'll close. If we can get the whole thing in the shot. There we go. A 1976 Buick Electra Limited 4-door hardtop. Good day, people.